does this have the ghost cam as well? Or a cam, like the cam thing?
Yeah.
This one? Yeah, kinda. Actually, I really do. Wait for it to cool down, and then we'll hear some chop chop like that. This thing is nuts. That sounds so deep. Got a drag pack just for this bad beast right here. All welds. Is that a bead lock on there right here?
It is not bead lock.
No?
I got a really good deal on it though.
Oh, listen to this thing. Oh my gosh. Just chopping away. Damn! I was not expecting that. Golly!
It's like a GCR. Take this way.
Holy!
That's the rolling 18.
That is nuts!
So you can do that one.
Ow, my ears! Oh, I can't hear no more. Damn! Alrighty, we're gonna go eat with the Sheridan. He's bringing out the bad beast.
Okay, so Jonathan gave me this. I'm going for a ride along in this beautiful car. Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
I don't know if you can see in the video, but all of this is carbon fiber. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's beautiful. Even right here.
Yep.
Really nice. Oh, I like this. So what year is this?
2021.
Looks really good. Wow, that sounds so good.
That thing sounds crazy.
Did John tell you how much power it makes?
Now, how much does this one make?
Turned up it makes 1200. Right now about 1,000-ish.
Wow. So the fastest car I've been is 1,000 horsepower. That felt good. That was nice. You can't help but have a big smile on your face every time you experience something like that.
Oh yeah. John's kind of in our way.
I know! in your head when you're just experiencing something like that. That was insane. That was amazing.
It focuses after he does the flyby.
What do you think he said when we went by? Oh!
Yes! Oh my gosh! That's right, that's all I could feel. Are the roads a little wet? Because it was like sprinkling a little bit earlier.
They look weird, but they're not that.
Dual pool. That thing is rowdy. Oh my gosh. That rolling anti-lag is something else.
Is there like different modes you can do on this car?
Yeah, the cluster does a lot, but it also just has like gauges, you know, so like, not those kind of gauges. So you can see like engine temp, trans temp, inlet air, boost, got a lot of gauges.
I like that.
And there's different like modes, like cluster modes that'll change like the way the cluster is set up.
Okay.
It also changes the way it shifts and does a lot of different things. I mostly just keep it in sport mode and then track exhaust. You put it in like quiet mode.
Quiet mode. Okay.
Here.
Oh, okay. Wow. That's so quiet.
Really quiet.
But we like the loud noises.
Yeah, we like the loud one.
Here we go. And he's gone.
This is I found to be kind of the best power level to where it doesn't spin too much. About 1,000, 18 pounds of boost. Yeah, 22 is where it makes 12.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Them downshifts though. Those turbos are nasty.
Oh, yeah.
That thing is just stupid fast. GT500 is terrorizing the streets over here.
Because it's dry, but it's wet inside.
Yeah.
Dude, that thing sounds crazy.
His reactions are hilarious.
I love them.
He's covered in
He's got
beer.
the biggest smile, literally from ear to ear.
Put his nigga on my face. LCC. I love the sound of that car so much. I don't know if you guys can hear the turbos from here or not, but I can, and they sound ridiculous. Just cruising, you can hear them. Hearing it echo off the walls is so crazy sounding. Bad beast right here.
I don't know if you can hear the
No, I heard everything. This thing is nasty.
Oh, and sit in that seat.
I'm not even surprised.
Do you know Don?
I know Don. The whole car is shaking. Of course, there's the subwoofers right there. You probably can't see it. Look at the lighting on the ground from the door handle. This thing is fire. Look at that. How sick is that? Bro, this thing's an animal.